Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ghost drawing easy. Let's start with the very foundation. First, sketch a basic, rounded bell or teardrop shape. This will be your ghost's main body. Remember to make the bottom edge a bit wavy or uneven, giving it that classic floating look. Use very light pencil strokes for these initial outlines, so you can easily erase and refine your shape as you go. This simple beginning sets you up for success. Now that you have your basic shape, let's give your ghost some personality. For the eyes, draw two simple oval or circular shapes near the top of the body. Next, create a wide, open mouth. You can make it jagged for a fun, spooky grin. Think about adding small, curved lines around the eyes to show emotion, like surprise or mischief. These small details truly bring your friendly specter to life with just a few lines. To make your ghost truly ethereal, let's focus on movement and transparency. Add subtle, flowing lines around the body to suggest it's drifting through the air, giving it a wispy, light form. For transparency, use a lighter shade or less pressure in certain areas, making it appear semi-visible. You can also draw small, detached arms or wisps extending from the sides to create dynamic, floating poses. These elements make your ghost feel alive and in motion. Finally, let's add some finishing touches to your spectral friend. Gently shade the bottom edges of your ghost. This simple step adds a fantastic three-dimensional effect, making it pop off the page. Carefully erase any unnecessary pencil lines, leaving only your clean, desired ghost outline. Remember, practice is key. Try drawing different ghost expressions and body shapes to truly hone your skills. You'll be a ghost drawing master in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.